Today I'm going to teach you how to read a candy pattern. So let's get started. First, you're going to want to navigate to the Candy Patterns website. So this is candypatterns.com. I'm going to scroll down to my profile and look for a pattern that I have already created. But you can use any pattern on the website. So what you want to do is you want to click on the pattern and it's going to give you a numbered list like this. And then you can see that on the bottom, number 1 goes all the way across. That is going to be the basis for your single for your cuff. And then the number 2 will be your second row, 3 will be your third row, and so on. I hope this tutorial was helpful.